A warm good morning to one and all present here. On the special occasion of Independence Day, the students of Class 4 will take us down memory lane by a presentation about the freedom fighters of India, followed by an artistic representation by the students of classes 9 to 12 for paying tribute to all the frontline warriors. This will be followed by a few words by the school captain Devjit Ray.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा. India is my beautiful country, but what makes India so special? Its landscape, culture, diversity, and most importantly, its people. Today, let us remember some great leaders who are an inspiration for everyone. Freedom fighters were people who sacrificed their life for our motherland. India became an independent nation due to their selfless efforts.
बुंदेली हर बोलो के मुख हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, उन्हें घुड़सवारी और तीरबाजी का बहुत शौक था. उन्होंने तांत्या टोपे के साथ मिलकर स्वतंत्रता की पहली लड़ाई में भाग लिया और उनकी रक्षा करते हुए अपनी जान गंवा दी. उन्होंने इस आज़ाद भारत के लिए अपने प्राण त्याग दिए. इस आज़ाद भारत की रक्षा कीजिए. जय हिंद.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who gave us the slogan Jai Hind, is one of the most inspiring leaders of our freedom struggle. He was the leader of the Indian National Army, Azad Hind Fauj. He believed that it is our duty to pay for our liberty with our own blood. In his own words, give me blood and I will give you freedom. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद. An active member of the Indian National Army and of its Women's Division, the Rani of Jhansi became Captain Lakshmi. Lakshmi Sehgal inspires everyone. Although she was placed under house arrest in Burma, she fought with the British at every opportunity she got. She stands due to her courage to get India her freedom. Jai Hind. Thank you. The Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu, was born on 13 February 1879, Hyderabad, India. She was the political activist and the first woman to be the president of Indian National Congress. It was through her poem that she encouraged Indians to fight for their freedom and stand for their right. She inspired people to love their motherland and sacrifice everything for it. We salute the efforts made by such warriors. Jai Hind.
I am going to tell you about the supreme sacrifice of the great freedom fighter Sukhdev. The inspiring actions of Sukhdev continued to still the desire for freedom until it was achieved in 1947. He had given up his life for the freedom of our motherland. He had taken a vow to set India free from British rule at very young age. On 23rd March, Shaheed Divas, we all remember his sacrifices made for our nation. Thank you.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बात मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार, राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो, झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से ये प्रेम आँखों से छलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। शत्रु से कह दो जरा, सीमा में रहना सीख ले, भारत अमर है, सत्य कहना सीख ले। भक्ति की इस शक्ति को बढ़कर दिखाना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। क्षण तुझे रक्त की हर बूंद तेरी है, तेरा अर्पण तुझे। युद्ध ये सम्मान का है, मान रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
A very warm morning to one and all present here. A morning that has been captured in our hearts for the last 73 years. A morning that had provided Bharat with a light so intense that all the misery that our country had faced during the British Raj had been shattered. The world had learned the power of non-violent protest as Gandhiji led the people of India in a struggle for home rule. It was a morning of celebration all over the country. We are celebrating our 74th year of freedom, and we are celebrating Bharat's birth as a sovereign nation. The Tiranga, representing Bharat's long struggle for freedom, is a national treasure. It signifies the status of Bharat as an independent republic. Our national flag is a unifying force for a nation. Since independence, we have progressed with a remarkable pace and achieved excellence in various fields, be it space science through Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan, or in sports by winning the ICC World Cup in 1983 and 2011. Even Bharat is one of the frontrunners in the race for creating a vaccine for eradicating COVID-19. But For making all of this possible, we need to always remember and thank our brave fighters who laid down their lives for this country. We will never see the price it cost them or the scars that collected all their lives. When everything was lost, they were the ones who picked up their hearts and avenged defeat and went through harm just to touch a dream that we are all living today. With this, I would like to conclude with a small poem. The land that I belong to, the land I will die for, the land that defines my identity. This is my country and my Bharat. Spread optimism instead of negativity. Live for nothing, die for something. Coming up next, we have the students of class 4B who will pay a tribute to our freedom fighters through a wonderful poem titled Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore, followed by a small poem in Hindi by class 8 students, followed by a few words by my co-school captain, Mahima Srivastav.
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on this auspicious occasion of 74th Independence Day. This day reminds us of the sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters. This day reminds us about the power of unity and integrity amongst the Indians. So let's pay tribute to our brave freedom fighters and celebrate the spirit of Independence Day through this beautiful poem titled Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls,
Where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection,
where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit,
Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My father, let my country awake, let my country awake, let my country awake.
नमस्कार, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज हम कक्षा 8वीं के विद्यार्थी आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं जो देश के सभी शहीदों को समर्पित है। कविता का शीर्षक है शहीदों में तू नाम लिखा नहीं। वह देश देश क्या है जिसमें लेते हो जन्म शहीद नहीं, वह खाक जवानी है जिसमें मर मिटने की उम्मीद नहीं।
वह माँ बेकार सपूती है जिसने कायर सुजाया है, वह पूत पूत है क्या जिसने माता का दूध लजाया है। सुख पाया तो इतरा जाना, दुख पाया तो कुंभला जाना, यह भी क्या जीवन है, पैदा होना फिर मर जाना। पैदा हो तो ऐसे हो जैसे तांतिया बलवान हुआ, मरना हो तो फिर ऐसे मर जो भगत सिंह कुर्बान हुआ।
जीना हो तो वह ठान ठान जो कुंवर सिंह ने ठानी थी, जीवन पाकर अमर हुई जैसे झांसी की रानी थी। यदि कुछ भी तुझमें जीवन है तो बात याद कर राणा की, दिल्ली के शाह बहादुर की और कानपुर के नाना की। आजादी के परवानों ने जब खून से होली खेली थी, माता को मुक्त कराने को सीने पर गोली झेली थी। तोपों पर पेड़ बंधाई थी, पेड़ों पर फांसी खाई थी, मगर उन दीवानों के मुख पर रत्ती भर शिकन न आई थी, रत्ती भर शिकन न आई थी। वे भी घर के उजियारे थे, अपनी माँ की आंख के तारे थे, बहनों के बंधु दुलारे थे, अपनी पत्नी के प्यारे थे। कर याद कि तू भी उनका वंशज है, भारतवासी है, यह जननी जन्मभूमि अब भी कुछ बलिदानों की प्यासी है।
कर याद कि जो भी शोषक है उसको ही तुझे मिटाना है, ये समझ कि जो अन्यायी है आसन से उसे हटाना है। ऐसा करने में भले प्राण जाते हैं तेरे तो जाने दे, अपने अंगों की रखमाल मानवता पर चढ़ जाने दे। यदि तू जिंदा है और जन्मभूमि बंदी है तो धिक्कार तुझे, यदि तू जिंदा है और जन्मभूमि बंदी है तो धिक्कार तुझे। भोजन जलते अंगार तुझे, पानी है विष की धार तुझे। जीवन यौवन की गंगा में तू भी कुछ पुण्य कमा ले रे। मिल जाए अगर सौभाग्य तो शहीदों में तू नाम लिखा ले रे, शहीदों में तू नाम लिखा ले रे। धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।
One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself into 1,000 lives. A very good morning to everyone. My heartfelt wishes for the 74th Independence Day. This day also marks as the birth of the world's largest democracy. India's independence struggle is unique as compared to the independence struggle of other nations. India's independence struggle was not only political but had facets of ideology and spirituality. To fly is to soar through the sky. That's what freedom taught us. To fly high is to reach the stars. That's what freedom believed in us for. To fly is a different high, but it's not for all. If you get to fly, hold on tight. It takes all you might for a pretty sight. Being an Indian citizen, it is our responsibility to build a nation where every single person is equal. A responsible citizen is the one who values the nation. We, the upcoming generation, should come forward, make this place a better world for everyone, and make our forefathers' sacrifice worth it. Thank you. Now, we have a song tribute coming made by our music club. Along with the music presentation, we would like to showcase the winning entries of the individual art competition held in the month of July 2020. The music and the dance video is edited and combined by the IT club, after which Principal Ma'am will address us.
चले जो हम मगर तो May the sun and his course visit no land more free, more happy, more lovely than this, our country. These words of Sardar Bhagat Singh highlight the visions of our brave-hearted freedom fighters. They dreamt of a nation filled with fraternity and liberty. Today, on Independence Day, our hearts bleed as we salute the courageous martyrs. For without them, we might not be breathing this free and fresh air. We must remember that with freedom comes great responsibilities towards our motherland as well as our citizens. And together, we have to make this world a better place. Since the past 73 years of freedom, there have been many challenges that our country overcame successfully. And with this pandemic, we have yet another obstacle which our nation is ready to battle against. This year, Independence Day is dedicated to the COVID warriors who have served the nation with their heroic deeds. These unprecedented times require mental and physical strength. Let us keep fighting hard to win over the coronavirus. So students, I urge you as our upcoming generation to understand the importance of patriotism and be of service to the nation in whatever ways you can. The youth of our country have the power to change the nation. And why only the nation? The entire world. So bring changes for the better. And remember the school motto, we learn to serve. We must pledge not to take our freedom for granted and should never forget the freedom fighters, those who have sacrificed their lives to ensure that we remain masters of our life, our destiny. है नमन उनको जिन्होंने रक्त की हर बूंद देकर देश के कण कण को सींचा और निशानी हो गए. है नमन उनको जिन्होंने अपने जीवन को मिटाकर देश की तकदीर लिख दी, खुद कहानी हो गए. चलो फिर से ये नजारा याद कर लें, देशभक्तों को दोबारा याद कर लें, जिन्होंने खून से हमें आजादी दी है. उन सपूतों को नमन हम आज कर लें, उन सपूतों को नमन हम आज करें. जय हिंद.